Dirt Wizard, Part A, should sound like this. Okay, that's the first 4 bars. Now we're going to break it into step by step. It's a nice, easy, fast path to learn. And your first bar of Part A should be like this. You'll see a little bit of a wiggle there with the ring finger. That is called vibrato. And if you look on your PDF, on the printout, you'll see that the third 12 has got a little squiggly thing. It looks like that. That means vibrato. So you're going to go 12, 12, open 12. And you can see my finger doing that movement. That's the vibrato we're talking about. Next bar is going to go. Let's open 10, 12 like I did there. Then you cross string. And you've got a little bend there. You'll notice it on the second 10 on the 5th string. That one there. There's a little upward sort of arrow and it says quarter. That means you bend it on the second 10. You can see I'm bending it down. You can also bend it up. It makes no difference. I just prefer the downward pull for this one over here. And you go back to the 12 and the open. So slow motion first 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4 and... There we go. Next 2 bars, which is going to start under the 1. You see there's a little funny sort of line there, and there's a 1 in the corner. 3rd bar, first line. It starts with the same. Same vibratos. And then the beginning of the next line, this is quite sneaky. It goes 0, 10, 0, and you'll see a small 12 going to the 14. And you'll also see a small 14 come back to the 12. Now that first bar of the next line should sound like this. Okay, now the trick over here is once you've done your 0, 10, 0, you're going to go with your ring finger. Notice my fingers are numbered, and you'll see the 12 is written smaller than the 14. So you're going to play the 12, and there's a little / line there going. That means slide. So I pick it, but I do it very quickly. And that automatically places my first finger in position for the 12. And then I go back to the 14, which is again small this time. And I slide back to the 12. And onto the 10. So that first bar of the second line should be like this. Simple as that. Okay, now I'm going to play through bars 1, 2, 3, and 4 the whole way through. Slow motion if you want to play with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and... There you go. Simple as that. The second time round, it's the same beginning, first and second bar, and then you skip the 3rd and 4th where the 1 was written, and you go to the 2, which is now going to go surprisingly the same. And the very last bar of the second line is going to go. Okay, so there's a nice long slide this time. It's not a rush slide, so this will be wrong. It's all the way to 15, and you play it again, and the last 15, you just slide out like that. Now, if you're having difficulty finding where fret number 12 is, there is a cool little catch over there too, a nice little trick. If you look on top of the guitar over here, you can see there is a double dot. That is your number 12. So when in doubt, look for the double dot. It'll get you exactly where you want to be. And on other guitars again, the double dot we just spoke of is in the front. So if you're looking for number 12, look for the double dot. You can't go wrong. Okay, see you on video part B.